Hello students, open your textbook page number 276. So today we are going to study about the last part of our chapter number 5, natural resources, soil and the forest wealth. So let's start. So uses of forest. So what are the uses of forest? Forests keep the air cool and purify the air. They prevent soil erosion. They help. So what is meant by soil erosion? The carrying away of the topsoil by natural force. Means when flood is there, so that time or in a rainy season, the soil is carry away by the flood or by the rain. So they help in producing rain. Correct? Because of the forest we get the rain. They provide shelter to wildlife. Correct na? Many wildlife means animals. They have shelter because of the forest. Next is they give us timber, which is used to make furniture and shapes. They give us timber. Timber means wood, which is useful to make furniture and shapes. Wood pulp is used for making paper, and from where do we get paper? From only the wood of the trees we get the paper. We also get many herbs from forest which are used to make medicines. Correct? We also get many herbs. Many herbs means what? Medicinal plant. Medicines from the forest and which are used to make medicines. So student, this is about uses of forest. Then next, conservation of forest and wildlife. So what is meant by conservation? To save the forest and the wildlife. Conservation means to take care or to save the forest and the wildlife. So forests are an important natural resource of our country and they should be preserved. Okay. So forests are very important and natural resource of our country and we have to take care of the forest. Most of the forests in India are being cut mainly due to an increase in human population. Correct? So many forests are cut down. Why? Because the population of human or for cutting down for the construction of the buildings. The cutting down of trees is called deforestation. So the cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Deforestation means what? Forest को तोड़ना, that is called deforestation. It harms our environment. Planting new saplings is called afforestation. So cutting the trees or cutting down the forest, it harms our environment. Correct na? It harms our environment means what? When we cut the trees, then we didn't get pure air, then we didn't get the rain, and the wildlife they don't get shelter. Correct? So it is very harm to our environment. And planting new saplings means planting new plant. It's called afforestation. Planting new plants is called afforestation. Okay. So student, Indian forests contain a rich variety of wild plants and animals. In Indian forests, they are having rich variety of wild plants and animals also. Elephants are found in the forest of Kerala, Karnataka and the Tamil Nadu. The Gir forest in Gujarat. The Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of the Asiatic lion. So Asiatic lion, where do Asiatic lion live? In a Gir forest in Gujarat. So student, these are the famous forest of our India. First is the Kerala forest is famous for elephant. Then Gir forest in Gujarat is famous for Asiatic lion. Then rhinos live in marshy areas. The Bengal tiger is found in the Sundarbans. Bengal tiger is also very famous tiger from our country. So it is found in the Sundarbans. Okay, wildlife has been affected by deforestation. Correct na? So when we cutting down the trees, so it will be effect on the wildlife. Wildlife means on the animal life and on the bird life. So some species of animals and birds have become extinct. Means because of the deforestation or because of the cutting the trees, the many types of the animal or many species of animals and birds, they are no longer, they are died. Okay, they are died because when we cutting the trees, so they didn't get the food, they didn't get their shelter, so they died. To protect endangered birds and animals, several centuries national parks and zoological gardens have been built by the government. Correct? So to save or to protect the endangered bird and animals means like a tiger, lion. So government have been built some sanctuaries, national parks and zoological gardens. Okay, so to save these animals, our India's government, they have been built some sanctuaries, national parks and zoological gardens. Okay, so this way we can save the life of wild animals. So student, World Forest Day is celebrated on 21st of March. On which date? On 21st of March. It is the moral duty of every citizen to save our forest and our wildlife. Correct? So it is our duty to save our forest and our wildlife. Then we, our environment get balance, and and because of this also, because of forest and because of the wildlife, our environment also save. So student, next is choose the correct answer. Dash is used to make furniture. Timber is used to make furniture. The cutting down of trees is called deforestation. The dash is the home of the Bengal tree. So Sundarban is the home of the Bengal tiger. So students, solve this in your textbook and read textbook page number 276 and 277 and complete your homework. Thank you, students.